our mathematics class of standard 7th. In the previous class already we have seen the decimal numbers and the exercise 2.5. Okay. Now today's topic is multiplication of decimal numbers. How to multiply the decimal numbers? First I will explain, then I will do the exercise. So see here students. First one example I will take. Suppose 3.5 into 4. Here this is one decimal number. This is one whole number. Okay. How to multiply these two? We learn first. See, as usual multiplication you know. As usual means, see, instead of 3.5 you have to write it as 35 into 4. You know how to multiply this. Simple. The same way 4 5s are 20, carry into 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. Okay. Now here you have to give the point that is important. Here after how many places the decimal point is there? After one place. Here also after one place you have to give the decimal point. So this means that 3.5 into 4 is nothing but 14.0. Okay. This is one case. Suppose if both are decimal numbers, here one is decimal number, one is whole number, this is the method of multiplying and giving the decimal point. Suppose both are, example I will take now, 22.4 into 1.3. Here see, both are decimal numbers. How to multiply? Simple way I told you. What did I tell you? See, 22.4 is there, no? Write it as 224 into 13. You know how to multiply. Okay, you multiply it. Here tables are important. You know maths is standing on tables only. How much you are perfect in the tables, that much fast you can complete the mathematics sums. See here now, 13 4s are how much? 52. Okay, 52. 5 is carrying here. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 5, 31. 31 carrying 3. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 3, 29. This is what? Multiplication. Now, not completed now. See here, here one place. Decimal point is here after one place. Here decimal point is after one place. Totally how many places? 1 plus 1. How many? After 2 places we have to give the decimal point. Here see 1, 2. Here we have to give the point. So the answer for this is 29.12. This is what the answer. I hope you understood. If there is only one decimal number, how to multiply? If there are two decimal numbers, how to multiply? The same way, 3 numbers. 3 means first we have to multiply these two. Then one more number, decimal number means we have to multiply for this. We have to count the decimal numbers. After how many places there are decimal numbers, we have to give the decimal point. Okay. This is what, how to multiply and get it. Then one more very important here, and that is one of the tricks also. See how to do. Suppose 176 into 10. Here this is what? Multiplication of numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Very easy. See now what happens? This means that 1.76 means what? 176 by 100 into 10. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 176 by 10 means how can we write? 17.6. See here, this is 1.76. On multiplication of 10, the decimal point you observe, decimal point was here. Now it has jumped to one place. Here see. On the multiplication, decimal point jumps towards the right side. That means value will be increasing by multiplication. 1.76 was there. Now it has become 17.6. 1 and 17. You know, you can find out the difference. Okay, like this. One more example I will take the same way. Same 1.76 into 100 I will make it. Now see, 1.76 means what it is? 176 by 100 into 100. Both cancelled. Answer is 176 only. See now, 170. This means that 176.00. So we write it as 176. Here 1.76 into 100. Here 10. So as you go on multiplying the bigger decimal numbers here, 10, 100, 1000, they are having the zeros in that now, they are called as decimal numbers. The value will be increasing. When the value, when you multiply with the number 10, 100 and 1000, the decimal point will be moving forward. That means value will be increasing. The same way in the reverse, when you divide with these numbers 10, 100 and 1000, the value will be decreasing. That time the point comes behind, towards the left side it comes. So this is what the one more example I will take. See now, 2.35 into 10. Now just without any multiplication you can say, here 2.35 is there, it will come 23.5. Point will come one place. Why one place? Here 10 is there. Suppose two places, 100 means two places. See here, this is nothing but 235 by 100 into 10. 0 cancel. This is nothing but, here see, 10 is there. So 23.5. Already I told you the answer. Okay. The same way 100. 100 means what? Suppose here there is 2.35 into 100. The point goes front two places. That means answer is 235. 1000 means the answer is here 2.35 into 1000 means two places. 2, 3, 5 here two places are there. Now how many zeros? Three places. Here 1 0. Answer C, 2350. These are the some tricks to remember you. So these all will come by practice, not by hearting. So on this base, if you want, you can copy this. Okay. Now the exercise 2.6. First main, find first one 0.2 into 6. Here see, one decimal number and one whole number. Now as I explained you already, this you consider 0 2 means what? 2 only. So this is 0 2 means 2 only. 2 into 6. This is nothing but 12. After how many places we have to give the point here? 1. Why? Only here there is one place is there. 1.2. So the answer is 1.2. The same way, second one, 8 into 4.6. 8 into 4.6. See here, 4.6 you remove the point, 46 into 8. 8 6 is 48. 8 4 is 32 plus 4. 32 plus 4, 36. After how many places? Only one. Here there is no decimal number. Only here. Answer is 36.8. Then 2.71 into 5. See, 271 into 5 will take 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, carrying 3, 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13. After how many places? 1, 2 places. 1, 2 places. So the answer is 13.55. So I hope you understood. Fourth one, 20.1 into 4. 20.1 into 4. See here, this is, you write it as 201 into 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8. After how many places? 1 place. So the answer is 80.4. Next, fifth one, 0.05 into 7. 0.05 into 7. See here, 0.05 into 7. 7 fives are 35, carrying 3. 7 zeros are 0 plus 3. 3. 7 zeros are 0. After how many places? After 2 places. 1, 2 here. So the answer is 0.35. Then the sixth one is 211.02. 02 into 4. See here, 21102 into 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. After how many places? 1, 2 places. 1, 2 places. Answer is 844.08. So this is what method of doing the sums. Then the seventh one, 2 into 0.86. Now we will take 0.86 into 2. 2 6s are 12, carrying 1. 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17, carrying 1. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. After how many places? 2 places. Point will come here. So 1.78. Sorry, 1.72. So I hope you understood. Second one, find the area of the rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Second one, length of the rectangle. What is given? Length of a rectangle is given. How much it is? 5.7 centimeter. Then breadth of rectangle is equal to 3 centimeter. Then what we have to find out? Area. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 5.7 into 3. See, instead of directly giving this type of number, they will give in this way. Okay. So now you know how to multiply these two. So you multiply 57 into 3. 3 sevens are 21, carrying 2. 3 fives are 15 plus 2, 17. After how many places? 1 places. So what is the answer? This you can do in the working column also. This is nothing but 17.1 square centimeter. Why square? Always area should be written in the square units. Please remember, area should be written in the square units. Okay. So this is what the second main in the exercise 2.5. Please copy it. First one, 1.3 into 10. Already this type of problems I just explained you. See, the same way now, 1.3. 1.3 can be written as 13 by 10. This is 10's place, there will be point now. So 13 by 10 into 10. So these two will be getting cancelled. The answer is 13.0 or 13. Now the second one, 36.8 into 10. See here, 368 by 10 into 10. Cancelled. Answer is 368. Next, third one, 153.7 into 10. Again same. 1537 divided by 10 into 10. Both got cancelled. Answer is 1537. Then fourth one, 168.07 into 10. Now see here, decimal is in the hundreds place. 168.07 divided by 100. Now into 10. 10 got cancelled. What will be the answer? Here 10 is there. After just one place, 1680.7. This will be the answer. Okay. Next, fifth one. 31.1 into 100. See, 31 or 311 by 10 into 100. 0 got cancelled. This is what? 311 into 10 means 3110 is the answer. Next, sixth one. 156.1 into 100. So that is 1561 by 10 into 100. So 15610 is the answer. Next, seventh problem. 3.62 into 100. Here see, 362 by 100. Decimal point is in hundreds place. Units, tens, hundreds. So into 100 as it is. 0 got cancelled. Answer is 362. The next one is eighth one. 43.07 into 100. Here decimal point is in the hundreds place. 4307 by 100 into 100. 100 got cancelled. Answer is 4307. Then the ninth sum is 0.5 into 10. 0.5 into 10. That is 5 by 10 into 10. Got cancelled. Answer is 5. Then the 10th sum is 0.08 into 10. 0.08 into 10. Here see, units, tens, 100 place. That means 8 by 100 into 10. 0 got cancelled. Answer is 0.8. 8 by 10 means 0.8. So the next one is 11th one. That is 0.9 into 0.9 into 100. See here, 9 by 10. 0.9 means 9 by 10 into 100. 10 got cancelled. 9 tens are 90. Answer is 90. Next, last one, that is 12th one. 0.03 into 0.03 into 1000. That is, see, units, tens, 100. 3 by 100 into 1000. 2 zeros got cancelled. 3 tens are 30 is the answer. So this is what method of solving. Very simple sums. So please practice them, make perfect. The next one is, I'll see, fourth main. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Okay, you just copy this. I'll do this one in the next. Now the fourth main. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. Two-wheeler covers the distance of 55.3 kilometer. In 1 liter of petrol, a two-wheeler covers 55.3 kilometer. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Okay. See now, question you take from the textbook. I give the solution. Solution. Distance covered by a two-wheeler. Distance covered by a two-wheeler. A distance covered by a two-wheeler in 1 liter of petrol. In 1 liter of petrol is equal to 55.3 kilometer it covers. The distance covered in 1 liter is 55.3 kilometer. Therefore, distance covered in 10 liters of petrol, covered in 10 liters of petrol is equal to how much? 55.3 into 10. So this is 553 by 10 into 10. So that is 553 kilometer that two-wheeler covers. Okay. Then the next one, that is the last main, fifth main. Find Find 2.5 into 0.3. 2.5 into 0.3. First we remove the decimal and multiply. Afterwards we can give the decimal. See, 25 into 3. 25 3s are 75. After how many places? 1, 2. 1 here, 1 here, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. After 2 places, that means comes here. So the answer is 0.75. Next, second one, 0.1 into 51.7. Okay. Now see, 517 into 1 is nothing but 517. 517 ones are 517. After how many places? Here 1, here 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. After 2 places, the answer is 5.17. So, this is fourth one. Third one, 0.2 into 316.8. So, see here, 3168 into 2. 2 8s are 16 carrying 1, 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 13 carrying 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, 2 3s are 6. See, here 1, here 1. So, 2 places we have to do. 1, 2, 63.36. Answer is 63.36. So, the next, that is fourth one is 1.3 into 3.1. 1.3 into 3.1. See here, 31 into 13. 13 ones are 13 carrying 1. 13 threes are 39 plus 1, 40. After how many places? 1, 2, 4.03. 4.03 is the answer. Then next, fifth one, 0.5 into 0.05. Okay, see here, 0.05 into 5. 5 5s are 25 carrying 2. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2. 2. 5 zeros are 0. Here see 1, 2, 3 places. 1, 2, 3 places. So the answer is 0.025. Then the sixth one is 11.2. 11.2 into 0.15. See here 112 15. 15 twos are 30 carrying 3. 15 ones are 15 plus 3 18. 15 ones are 15 plus 3 18 carrying 1. 15 ones are 15 plus 1 16. See 1 2 3 places. 1 2 3 places. Answer is 1.680. 1.680. Okay. Next, seventh one. 1.07 into 0.02. See 107 into 2. 2 sevens are 14 carrying 1. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1. 1 2 ones are 2. After how many places? 1 2 3 4. Here see 1 2 3 are there. So what to do for the fourth place? Here we have to give 1 0 and 8. So the answer is 0.0214. This is seventh. Now the eighth one. 10.05. 05 into 1.05. See here. Okay. 5 5s are 25 carrying 2. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 2. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5 plus 0 0 0 0 plus 1 means 5 0 0 1. We'll add 5 2 5 5 0 1. After how many places? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So the answer is 10.5525. This is what? 8th sum. Now 9th and 10th sum. So you just copy it. You can take directly 1 also. Behind 0 means no value. You can write 1 also. See 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. After how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 1.0101. Next, the last one, 10th one. 100.01 into 1.1. 10001 into 11. 11 ones are 11 carrying 1. 11 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 11 zeros are 0. 11 zeros are 0. 11 ones are 11. Here 1, 2, 3 places. So the answer is 110.011. 110.011. This is what all about the fifth main of exercise 2.6. By this exercise completed. So what is the homework? You know that homework is exercise 2.6. So this is the homework. So please go on practicing the sums. As you practice, you become the perfect in the mathematics. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.